Hey everyone, welcome back to our video series on how to get started in SkillBit Labs. My name is Phoebe DeVito and I'm the Customer Success Manager at SkillBit. And today I'm going to be walking you through our Content Manager features. So as we mentioned in a previous video, your ability to create new custom topics, challenges, learning modules will depend on your role that's assigned within the platform. So this is under the assumption that you would have management access. Again, if you need to change your roles or permissions, you can reach out to your group admin or email our support team and we're happy to get you set up. So over here on the left, if you are an admin of your group and you'd like to create a new custom topic, a new challenge or learning module, you would come over here on the left to Content Manager. So you can see I have not created any challenges yet. I haven't published any challenges yet, but had I, you could search which challenges have been assigned to this group. But for now, I'll pretend as though I'm going to create my first challenge. So you would click Create Challenge, and then the rest is pretty intuitive. So you can enter the title, the category from this drop-down menu, the actual content, any file uploads or attachment, and then you can tag it to certain topics. So maybe you'd like to tag this to a specific topic that you've created for your group, and you can do that here. You can keep this in draft mode, which will hide other users in your group from seeing it. And then you can add questions here that users need to answer. From here, you can either save the draft or publish the challenge once you've finished it. Next, we'll look at what it's like to create a custom topic. So for this, you would go back to Content Manager and then select Topics. You can see I have created one topic and there are 28 challenges in that topic. So were there to be multiple of them, I could search them, but there's just one right now, so we can go ahead and take a look. So I created one called Getting Started in On-Demand Labs. This is a selection of challenges to get you started. So I went ahead and picked out some kind of quick win challenges. So if I were going to edit an existing custom topic, I would come to this pencil icon and open it up. This will also kind of show you what the interface looks like for creating a new one. But basically you can see I selected a title, the color of the custom topic, the description. And then here I went ahead and just added topics. So you could do another one if I were to select Flag Over the Wire. So from here, I basically searched the challenges that I wanted to add and then selected them, and those will go into the custom topic. I can go ahead and save my changes. And then where you will see that is over here on Topics. You can see it is assigned and it pops up at the top. And if I click in here, you can see all of the challenges that I hand selected for that custom topic. If we come back to the Content Manager and go to the custom topics, you can see that I assigned it or pinned it up at the top. So that's why it's showing up there. And then you can determine whether or not it's visible to members in the group. You can also go ahead and delete them. Just note that you can only make these types of changes to a custom topic that you created. If you wanted to create a new one, you could go ahead and select Create Topic. And then same thing, you could go ahead and put in your title, select the color, the description, and then the challenges. Note that you can't actually click in and see the challenges from here. So the best workaround right now is to go into the challenge range, scroll around and select the challenges that you would like to add, and then make a list of them and select them here. And if you are an enterprise customer, we can go ahead and create these for you. So some folks will reach out and say like, hey, I want a grouping of challenges that are 200 level to 400 level binary exploitation, and I can go ahead and build that out for you. Finally, we'll look at creating learning modules. So you can do create new module, and then same thing here. So you can go ahead and enter the name, the description, choose the difficulty, and create. You can also edit existing modules from here or select modules that you'd like to assign to your group.